Many people think British citizenship is just a form you fill out at the end, but in reality, it's a journey with multiple legal steps, and missing just one can delay your plans for years. In this video, I'll walk you through the journey, step by step. Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm an AI avatar and explainer for Lardal Law, and today, I'm explaining how you move from being a visa holder to becoming a British citizen, step by step. If you're currently in the UK on a visa and wondering what comes next, this video is for you. Step 1. Holding the right immigration status. Every journey to British citizenship starts with lawful status in the UK. This could be a work visa, a family or spouse visa, or another long-term visa route. What matters is that your stay in the UK is lawful and continuous. Common mistake: not realizing that gaps, overstays, or the wrong visa type can affect future eligibility. Step 2. Building lawful residence over time. Citizenship is based on time spent living legally in the UK. During this period, the Home Office looks closely at how long you've lived in the UK, whether you complied with visa conditions, how much time you spent outside the UK. Common mistake: not tracking absences properly, which can later cause refusal. Step 3. Settlement. Indefinite leave to remain. For most adults, the next major milestone is settlement, also known as indefinite leave to remain. This is not citizenship, but it's usually required before you can apply for it. Applying for citizenship without first qualifying for settlement is one of the most common and costly errors. Step 4. Meeting citizenship requirements. Once you qualify to apply for citizenship, you must meet several requirements, including residence and absence limits, English language ability, knowledge of life in the UK, good character. Each requirement must be met at the time of application, not just in the past. Step 5. Applying at the right time. Timing is critical. Applying too early, with incorrect residence calculations, or without meeting all requirements can lead to refusal and loss of fees. Many successful applicants plan their application months in advance to get the timing right. Step 6. Decision and ceremony. If your application is approved, the final step is the citizenship ceremony. Only after attending the ceremony do you officially become a British citizen and gain the right to apply for a British passport. Each step builds on the one before it. Mistakes early in the journey often surface years later, when people apply for settlement or citizenship. That's why long-term planning matters, even from your first visa. Becoming a British citizen is not a single application, it's a legal journey. Understanding each step helps you avoid delays, refusals, and unnecessary stress. If you're planning your journey from visa holder to British citizen and want to be sure you're on the right path, we recommend speaking with an experienced immigration lawyer. You can contact Lardal Law in the UK on 0170-820-6161 or in the US on 310-943-6352. You can also visit lardallaw.com to learn more and book a consultation. At Lardal Law, we help clients plan their citizenship journey clearly, carefully, and confidently.